If you've updated to the recent version of Premiere Pro, you might have noticed if you go to copy and paste a clip to a targeted track, it pastes it to the same track that it was copied from. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change this to paste a clip to a targeted track inside your keyboard shortcuts. So let's dive in. So I'm inside Premiere Pro, and just to show you, I have this clip of a graphic, and then I have my A-roll clip of me speaking. I want to copy this clip over my footage, so I'm going to hit Command C, and I'm going to toggle on video track 2. And as you can see, when I go to Command V and paste it, it pastes it in the same track. It doesn't paste it into track 2 above it. So to fix this, what you can do is go up to Premiere Pro keyboard shortcuts. And what you want to type in here is paste, and when you scroll down, you'll see an option next to paste to same track. And then underneath it, paste to target track. What we want to do is X out the same track and then click on target track and hit Command V. Once you have that, you can click OK. And now when you copy and paste it to video track 2, it pastes it in the correct targeted track. And even if we go to video track 3, you can see it pastes in video track 3. And now we've fixed the issue. So that's how you fix this issue inside Premiere Pro. If you want to see other tutorials, there's several on my channel. Here's one you might like right up there. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.